So in question 4, we have a person, Rahul, who has 2 bags, X and Y. We're told that both bags have some marbles, and then we also have a coin, which is a little bit biased. We're told Rahul throws a coin, and then he either gets a head or he gets a tail. And then based on that, he chooses a ball from either of the bags. We need to find a probability that the 2 marbles are the same color. So for this, the easiest way we can visualize what is happening here is through a tree diagram. So the first case is that we can either get a head or a tail. We're given that the probability of getting a head is 1 over 4, and therefore the probability of a tail is going to be 3 over 4. And then we're told that if we look at his first bullet point, if he throws a head, then he will go to bag 1, so bag X I mean, so this is bag X. And then we have in bag X 4 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. So you either get a red or a blue, and then the probability of getting a red is 4 over 6, and therefore blue is 2 over 6. And then we replaces the ball and then chooses another second marble. So again, we can either get a red or a blue, and then again a red or a blue, and the probabilities don't change because Rahul replaced the balls. And then the same thing we can do for tails. So we look at the bullet point. Bag Y has 3 red marbles and 4 blue marbles. So again, red and blue. And then this will have a probability of 3 over 7. This will be 4 over 7. However, now he discards the marble, therefore we do not replace it. Therefore, we need to be a little bit careful here. And we can get red or blue. So if Rahul picked the red marble, that means he decreased the number of red marbles by 1, and also the total number of marbles in the bag. So therefore, this will be 2 over 6, and this will be 4 over 6. If Rahul picked the blue ball, then he also has reduced the number of blue balls by 1 and the number of total balls by 1, and therefore that will simply be 3 over 6. And this will also be 3 over 6. And we need to find the probability that the 2 marbles that Rahul chooses are the same color. So we need to consider this branch. We have red and red. We have blue and blue. Again, we have red and red, and we have blue and blue. So we have to just consider the probability of this. So we just have to multiply basically everything here. So the first branch is 1 over 4 times 4 over 6 times 4 over 6. And then the next one is going to be the head and then blue, blue. That's 1 over 4 times 2 over 6 times 2 over 6. Plus, now the next branch, this one, is going to be 3 over 4 times 2 over 7 times 2 over 6. And then plus a 3 over 4 times the blue, blue case. And if we plug this into a calculator, we should get 54 over 64.